So my daughter brought this van home, and it's in pretty good condition, but it has one rust hole that's kind of mocking me. Mwah! I am the great Chevy Rust Hole. I scoff at you. Mwah! So I wanted to fix it, but I want to be quick and fast about it and cheap. And I know this is not the correct way to repair rust. The correct way would be to cut the panel out, weld in a new one, fill it, and then it would be all bueno. But my daughter's known as the destroyer of vehicles, so I didn't want to waste the time or money on this. But I still didn't want her driving around with a big hole that she cut her hand on when she washes her car. So decided to do this cheap and easy fix using an old washing machine.
Get yourself a piece of sheet metal, roughly the size of the hole. Try to remove as much of the old rust as possible. This Rust-Oleum rust reformer is the bomb. Give everything a good coat of paint. Pop rivet in your sheet metal. Dimple it in with a hammer so nothing sticks out. Just grab your favorite body filler. I use Duraglass because the fiberglass strands makes it really goopy. Now it's just a matter of 3 easy steps. Sand, clean, fill.
Here's a little videography tip from me to you. When you set your camera up to film, make sure you press the record button. I failed to do this on day 2 or 3, I don't know.
And clean, fill. Now I'm down to the hand sanding. I'm using 200 grit, and I know I should use a sanding block, but finger sanding is my favorite. Gonna finish it off with some body glazing putty. This is just to fill the air holes. I'm going to hit it with more of that rust converter just to finish off the can. More sanding, more cleaning. Got some good old gray automotive primer. You can use any color, but I had some gray laying around. More sanding. Put a white coat of white underneath it and I'm going to tape off to make some pinstripes, because you can buy some pinstripe for about $5 a roll, but I'm cheap. I had some white gloss hanging around.
Too much time on my hands since you're gone. Chained to your memory, chilled to the bone. How long can this heartbreaking keep hanging on?
This is what it looks like done. I know it's not perfect, but hey, it matches the rest of the van. Alright, thanks for watching. Like what you see, hit the like button. Want to get the latest and greatest, hit subscribe. Do it, don't do it. Who cares? I don't.